guys, let's talk a little bit more Ranger. We love these units. The Defender by Can-Am, we build the same basic setup for the shock package, which allows you to carry more weight. You know, whether you're a rancher, a farmer, hobby farmer, or you're just looking for a better wheelbarrow for around your yard. I know I love my Ranger at my yard. You know, my kids use it. We use it for yard work, and we use them here at the Zollinger complex for construction and some other stuff that my brothers and I have done for years. You know, my dad, he still operates a construction company, and the Rangers and Defenders are a great choice. And having the exit shock package on there to give you the ride height and the load carrying capacity is a must. You know, on this car, we actually have a new set of MSA wheels. It's a new wheel coming out with a set of 30-inch moto hammers. The reason we put 30-inch tires on this particular car is because we don't want to have to do the forward arm. It's still got a stock front A-arm setup with the shock package, of course, so you're gaining a couple inches of ride height with the shocks and then a little bit more ride height because of the 30-inch tire. And the 30-inch tire is a good combination for all around. You know, it gives you that ground clearance. The Moto Hammer is a proven tire for just about everything. It's good on the road if you're cruising around the neighborhoods and running a lot more dirt road versus hardcore off-road, but it still gives you the traction that you need when you're off-road. This MSA wheel is really good looking. This happens to be a 14-inch wheel, so it's a 30-10-14 tire with a 14-inch wheel. It's nice because it gives you that little bit extra sidewall. You can do a 15 as well. This just ended up being my brother's Ranger, so this is how we set up his car. And as you can see, you know, we do a little bit of everything with our Rangers, from, you know, farming and ranching to construction and just having fun in the backcountry. And nice thing about, you know, the Ranger, again, having that bed capacity, you can chuck all your gear in the bed and haul up into the backcountry and do a weekend of camping with the family, or you can have it around the house as a glorified wheelbarrow, or even, you know, out in the desert cruising along as a chase vehicle. We love the Rangers and the Defenders for that. So check out all of our products for the Rangers at zbrozracing.com and or Wheel Pros, and check out the different wheel and tire options and make the Ranger yours or your Can-Am Defender.